In this Code.org lesson, we're going to be taking a look at events or behaviors or things that trigger code to run. So maybe you click on a screen, you touch a button, you hit an arrow key, and your character jumps. That's an event. We make something respond to input or to things happening within our program. Let's get going. This is Code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Get to the hoop. Attach a block to the win left arrow event and press run. Okay, so here we are in our workspace, win left arrow. And we can pick the block. I guess I'll do left because sure. And I'm going to hit run. Oh, and I see this arrow. So when I click this, an event happens and I should move. It's working. Onward. That went fast. Let's see what we have now. Now attach a block to the win right event so that the hand can get to both baskets. Oh yeah, there's two. Okay, so when the left arrow is clicked, we move left, and when the right arrow is clicked, let's try moving right. Ding, ding, maybe. Go. Ooh, goes fast. All right. We're going to send the basketball flying towards the hand. Oh, and we need to get to the basket. Okay, so a block to the win ball hits hand. So I can move the hand left and right. We already have that. But nothing happens when we get to the ball. So when the ball hits the hand, what should happen? Well, I want to get it over here. Should it move my hand left and right? This is an event, by the way. Just like win left arrow, that's an event. It's in green. We can cause something to happen. This would be an event. When the ball hits the hand, what do we want to happen? We need the code below it. How about we try bouncing it, right? So when the ball hits the hand, the ball should not bounce. Oh, well, that wasn't a good shot. Oh, well, if you don't move the hand, I would have done better. Onward. Now the basketball's at the top. Attach code to make the ball bounce when it hits the wall, so you can solve this puzzle. Okay, so right now we can move it left and right, and now we have this new event. All right, so when the ball hits the hand, but when it hits the wall, attach code to make the ball bounce when it hits the wall. So when we hit the wall, okay, I guess we want to bounce. Boom. Oh, that's cool. Let me try not moving my hand again. Now it works. Boom. Onward. Attach sound blocks to make the net swish when you hit the basketball, and have the whistle blow when the ball misses your hand. Okay, so here's all of our events. So I think I'm missing. There they are, way down there. Okay, so when the ball misses the hand, I want it to play a whistle, and when the ball goes to the net, when you make a basket, so when the net swish. Let's do this. Oh my goodness, do I have to make a basket before I pass this? This is going to be a while. Yeah, onward. There's now a hoop at the top. Attach the score point block to the win ball in goal event, and the score opponent point block to the win ball misses the hand. Okay, so we got all of these events. Remember, green means an event. It's something that can happen, and we can ask the code underneath it to run when that thing happens, such as clicking an arrow key or an event like missing our hand. What do we got again? Okay, so when the ball misses our hand, we need to score the opponent wins. So when ball hits the hand or scores a point. When the ball hits the wall, when the ball misses our hand, score opponent point. So the opponent gets a point on us. Darn. All right, and then when the ball score a point when the ball in the goal. That would make sense. Ball and goal. So I'll just put that here. So when the ball's in the goal, it should play a swish, and we should score a point. When we miss it, it will play a whistle, and the other person scores. Come on. What? Okay, that was taking a while. Let's try again. I am not good at this, guys. Ooh, I got a point. Uh-oh. No, they got a point. Do I pass now? Yeah, onward. Now you're in control of the ball. Attach a throw new ball block in all of the places where the game needs a new ball. Okay, so after an event where we need a new ball, where would that be? Well, when ball hit the goal, I think it disappears after that, so I think we would need a new ball. And then when we miss it, doesn't it disappear? Pretty sure. Let's see. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. So now what's happening? Well, that's great. When these events happen, we would get a new ball. But wait a minute. Will we get one when the game starts? Well, no, there's nothing here. Win, run, right? So we click run, nothing's going to happen. Did we miss the ball when we click run right away? No, we haven't missed it. So this doesn't happen. It won't throw no ball. And we haven't made the goal, so that won't happen. So we have to ask it the second we click run. When I click run, you can think of this as another event. It should throw a ball now. Ah! I am not fast enough. Come on. Good thing we have win, miss ball. Oh, this will take a while. Oh, got it. Onward. Oh, awesome. This is my favorite part. Make your own game. You can change the visuals, rules. When you're done, click finish. Okay. Throw a new ball. Let's see. Move left, move right. I want when the game starts out to be... You know, I'm just going to do random. That's fun. All right. And then, can I play... I want to play some... Oh, let's change the ball speed. Oh, it goes so slow. I want it to be a bit fast. And then when the game also starts, I'm just doing whatever I want. A bit of cheering, you know, because I'm awesome. Now, let's say when I get a goal, when the ball hits my hand, no. When I get a goal, let's say, every time I get a goal, I'm going to have the hand speed change to something random. So that will make the game a bit harder. And when the ball hits the wall, it always bothers me. Is there a good sound for that? The bounce could make sense. We can do some crazy stuff too, like we can have it throw a new ball every time it hits our hand. So we'd have like 100 different ones, right? Or we could change teams every time we make a point. When the ball misses hands, maybe I want to do random teams. Like this is totally your program. Up to you. Boom. Let's see. Whoa, that's fast. And let's see if I change teams for missing. Yeah. Gonna reset that take too low. Let's see if I could score something. Yeah. Oh no. That's fun. I hope yours is really cool. Onward.